Every day you thought you wasn't gonna make it. Do you remember them days where you thought it was absolutely unbearable and you thought you wasn't gonna endure that one? Do you know that your survival rate for every last one of them bad days is 100%? You survived every hater. You survived all the evictions. You survived the firings. You survived all the trouble you ever been in. Your survival rate is 100%.
Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Sunday reset. This morning we were heading to church and it was such a great service and a great way to start off our day. So for the first time ever, I went to Sam's Club. I've never been to Sam's Club and it was really cool. Again, I'm still a Costco stan, but I really enjoyed it. I had so much fun. So Sam's Club has a lot of the same items that Costco has, but some of the items are different brands, of course. But I really wanted to go to Sam's Club because I saw online that they had cases of Karma drinks, and that's literally my new obsession now. So to Sam's Club, I went and got a membership. But yeah, like I said, I really enjoyed myself and we stocked up for the week. I've been really enjoying putting the groceries away now that I've got my new bins. Something super therapeutic about organizing every little thing and putting them in their section. If you're feeling like your space is just a little blah, I highly encourage you to get some cute little bins from wherever you can find them and organize your space because it will make a hell of a difference. You guys, I'm starting to have a drink problem. Don't come for me. And I think my husband is starting to have one too. I am obsessed, you guys, with these drinks. But I need to slow down. I need to slow down. Today, I really wanted to organize my drawers. I got these drawer dividers from Temu and I need to order some more. I really love these drawer dividers because they're clear. They just give a chic, nice, neat look to the places that are organized with them. And these are the drawers that are not organized at all. It's a hot mess. I kind of like hate looking for clothes in them. This is my husband's side. But today we're going to organize at least my side with the drawers. And I'm going to go ahead and order some more from Temu in order to tackle my husband's side another day. On Sundays, it's supposed to be change your bedding and sheets day, but I haven't been doing it every Sunday. And I think I want to change that. I don't know what it is. It's something about having fresh sheets and changing them every Sunday, because I normally keep the same sheets for 2 weeks. But I do have a spare of sheets. So this Sunday I put on the spare and I put the sheets in the washer. And I think I'm going to start doing that every Sunday. I am moving away from doing all of my chores on Sunday because it just tires me out. So I've started to spread it out and start them on Saturday and sometimes Friday night in order to have more relaxation time on my Sundays.
Whoa! Like a hippo. I want this, Mommy.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ears like a hippopotamus. Wiggle them.
Let's sing a song about the letter C.
Today I had 3 heads of hair to wash. Normally I try not to wash everyone's hair on the same day, but it just fell that way and I'm fine. It was fine. I washed everyone's hair, even Aiden's hair, honestly, because he had a fresh haircut today, and the products I use are normally the same. I don't use the same products on my daughter that I use on my son, but yeah, I washed 3 heads of hair. Now I'm just restocking the bathrooms and restocking small little things around the house that needed to be restocked for the week. And while I'm doing this, I just wanted to talk briefly on homemaking and how it is just such a blessing for us to have these things, have these clothes, have these dishes, have this home that we have in order to homemake in it. And I appreciate it so much, and I know you appreciate your space so much, and just want to give you the motivation to keep going, girl. You got this. So it's the end of the day of this Sunday, and like I told you, on Sundays now I try to finish a little bit earlier so I can have some me time just to get away. And for me, the bathroom has become my form of self-care. I don't know what it is, just romanticizing what I'm doing in the shower. Having a self-care shower routine is it for me. Today I'm using the pH balancing cleanser. I love this cleanser, you guys. There's no fragrance, it's not a lot of ingredients, and it's just so soft. I can't explain it. It's just so silky soft to my lady parts, and I've been using it and I love it. Today we're trying the Infamous Way. It just became so popular this spring and I just had to get my hands on it. This is a St. Bart's scent. I think this one is the cleanser. I like the cleanser. I do feel like when it takes a lot to like foam up. I'm a foam girl. I love the foam, but it smells so good. I feel like in a cleanser it's a light smell, but it's a smell nothing less. I'm probably saying that wrong, but yeah, I love this cleanser. And I just, like I said, romanticize when I'm in the shower. I talk to God. I just enjoy it, girl. Like, just enjoy yourself. Take your time like you in a spa and use your favorite products and you'll feel so good. So why would I pick up the cleanser without the body scrub? Girl, this body scrub It's good. It's good. I went to Ulta for this scrub and the lady wouldn't let me leave. She was raving about it. And I went to Sephora for the cleanser and they wouldn't let me leave. They were raving about the scrub. It is so thick. It has like little beads in it, but they're not too big. It has a jelly-like consistency and it smells so good. The smell is strong in this scrub. It smells so good, you guys. If I would go back and buy it again, I would definitely go back for the scrub itself. I don't know if you can see like the jelly consistency and the beadedness of the scrub, and my favorite part is the foaming upon contact. The minute you start rubbing, you see all that foam? You don't even have to use a lot and it leaves your skin so smooth. I had 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the scrub. The St. Bart smells like a vacation-y, coconutty, fruity scent. Heavy on the more coconut, but I don't know what it is, you guys. It just smells so good. Get the travel size. Sephora has the travel size. Get the travel size. Try it out because I got the travel size in Melrose, and let me know what you think. I know you're tired of me. You tired of me. But I went and coupled the Way cleanser and scrub with the body cream. I like this body cream because it's super thick. It's like, I think a thick jello. Is it jello or yogurt consistency? I don't know, girl. But it melts. It melts into the skin is what I'm trying to say. It really melts into the skin, and the scent, that St. Bart's scent, I love it. I didn't like the Melrose, but I do like the St. Bart. You guys know this is my favorite wine, the Riesling by Saint Chateau Michel. It is so good. It's so crisp, like very, very crisp, like an appley taste. I think husband says it doesn't have taste, but it has taste to me. Then of course I was eating some ice cream, strawberry and cheesecake by Ben & Jerry's. Look at the chunks in there, girl. Just ready. I just needed to wind down tonight and just chill with hubby. Are you a throw girl? I'm definitely a throw girl. The fluffier the merrier. Throw it my way. If I don't got to throw on me, what we doing? We not even relaxing. My whole family is a throw, like except hubby. He don't care. Like, he could just be sitting there. But my kids, I just converted everybody. When I'll tell you, we probably got like 10 throws. I don't know. Let me know. Is that weird? But yeah, we're just chilling. We were watching The Chosen tonight. That is one of the shows that we are watching and we're trying to get through. I love this show. I don't like to watch it so much because I get teary-eyed all the time, and I just get teary-eyed just watching it. But if you haven't watched it, it's kind of like chronicling the life of Jesus while he was on earth, I think right before his death. But it's such a good show, and I love watching it with hubby because then, you know, we talk about the show a lot. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for spending this Sunday with me. I really appreciate you coming back here every single time to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.